ready for the rumble. Number 1 to number 13. Ronald for 2, no good. Green ball. Number 13 to number 9. Number 9, Martin. Dribbling the ball past the 13 to number 9. Martin for 2. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 to 21. Foul for 2. 13 to number 13. 13 to number 9. Intercept by number 16. Pass it to Takis Boutique. Good. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass it to number 9, Martin. Dribbling the ball. Pass it to number 13. Drop pass to 23 to number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Drive and shoot. No good. Rebound by number 38. Two good. Rebound by number 1. Medward. Number 1. To Ronald for 3. Another rebound by number 13.
Pasensya na.
Number 13, dribbling the ball. Drive and pass to number 23. Shoot the good. Rebound by number 31. Foul committed by number.
Ano ba yan? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tingnan mo,
First personal foul. First team foul.
Ito yung oras? Ilan?
Side throw. Hit by number 1 to number 21. Tapis dribbling the ball. Pass it to number.
6 seconds. Ay, hindi.
Number 9. Pass it to number 13. 13 to number 13 for 2.
Yes.
Good. Number 21. Tapis. Drive. Line ball.
Ayan, running pa rin. Oh, line ball. Running pa rin.
Tapis it back to number 1. Number 1. Pass it to number 17. John. 17. Pass it to number 16. Drive and shot. Foul committed by
Si Victor hindi
23.
7, 6, 5. The time is running.
3-2 by number 16 Ronald in the 15th line. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by the tall guy to 16. Foul committed by 38. And it's brought to you by Channel Limited Oriental Food. If you want to buy any Oriental food delight, go to a Channel Limited Oriental Food located in the downtown city center. Number 16, no good. Rebound by Sunny, number 10 to number 21, Tapis for 3. Traveling violation. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass it to number 13. Number 9. Assist.
Hindi naman matakbo.
Number 9, pass to 23. 10 seconds shot left. Number 38 for 2. No good. Rebound by 38 for 2. No good. Rebound by 16. Pass it to number 21. Tapis dribbling the ball.
Yung time, dito matakbo. Hindi kasi sa kanyang bulok.
Pass it to number 10. Sonic. Number 1 to number.
Hindi matakbo.
Contact. By number. Foul by number 9. Shoot by number 16. Timeout, green.
Ano ba yan?
This timeout is brought to you by Chanel Limited Oriental Food. If you want to buy Oriental food delicacies and ingredients, just go to Chanel Limited Oriental Foods located
Kanina
in
pa
City
yung
Center.
yan. Maandar yung time mo.
The score is 4-2 in favor of Adam, 6 seconds. Yan. Back sa score. Counted yun. 6. Ano yan? Exact. Just breathe. Ang nag-time out. The score is 6-2 in favor of Megaworld Tisa. Time remaining is 12 minutes and 22 seconds. Free throw line by number 16, Ronald. Good. Number 9, dribbling the ball.
Wala. Sila hindi.
Drive and shot.
Ayan o.
Foul committed by
Ayan, sinastop niya na.
number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 9. In the free throw line, first shot, no good. Second shot. And it's brought to you by Shana
Babae kang sakto dito.
Limited Oriental Food. Good shot.
Tumakbo na.
Number 1. Pass it to number 16 to number 21.
Kahapon, ang bilis ng tapos ng ano.
To number 21 to number 1 for 3. Pass. 4. 3 points by number 1. Number 9. Dribbling the ball. To number 21, to number 34, 34 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 16, number 16. Pass it to number 21, 21. Pass it to number 1. Drive and shoot. Good. Number 1, dribbling the ball. To number 9. Martin. To number 1. Foul.
Napaul pa ni Jaro.
Committed by
Nabisit na ako nga sa dulo.
number 1. Dribbling the ball, pass to 21, 21. Pass it to number 1, number 16, number 16. Drive and shoot. No good. Rebound by number 9, Martin. Dribbling the ball. Foul committed by number 21. Number 9 to number 7. Kimpo to number 21. Andrew.
Os. Dos mo. Oh. Green.
Green ball.
Ito matakbo pa.
Number 7.
Napisip pa ako pa.
10 seconds to shot.
Nawala ako sa ano.
Number 1 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 7. Reverse shot. Good. Number 10 to number 1. Pass it to Tapis. Number 21 to number 1. Number 17. Number 16 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 34. 34. Pass it to number 1. Number 1. For 2. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass it to number 21, Tapis. personal foul.
Second na yun? Paparami.
15 fouls. 2 shots for free by Tapis. And brought to you by Channel Limited. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok. Score. 13-5 in favor of the T-side.
Tapos isi-shoot mo doon sa may box.
9 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Inbound by number 1, Mega World, to number 21. 21 drive and shoot. No good. 34 foul.
Lagit akong alis na tayo.
60 fouls.
Papadala naman siguro. Kanina naman.
First personal. Second shot.
Ha?
Good. Number 34. Pass it to number 9.
Layo na, 14.
Martin. Drive. Pass it to number 1 for 2. Nugget. Rebound by 34 for 2. Nugget. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 16. Number 16 to 21. Tapis for 2. Good. Number 9.
May ballpen ka dyan, eh? Walang ballpen sa dito. Wala.
8-23. Number 7. Rebound by number 10. 65 in favor of Megor. Foul committed by
Jaron?
3-4. Timeout. Shrewsbury.
Ayan, patay na yung oras.
Second personal, 17 fouls. Time remaining is 8 minutes and 16 seconds, and the score 16-5 in favor of Mega World. And this time is brought to you by First Kabayan Lipat Bahay, Asiana Limited Oriental Foods, LFS, Virgin Island, Mega World, Salad Master, Safety Insurance by Bang Palmares para po sa mga original at sa mga additional, and most of all is by Leicester Filipino Society, LFS. Kung gusto nyo ng bahay, natirahan ng pamilya, o para sa number 2, pumunta lang kayo sa Mega World. Kung gusto nyo lumipat para pumunta sa bahay, pumunta kayo sa First Kabayan. Kung gusto nyo ng insurance para sa kabit, pumunta lang kay Bang Palmares. Good. Kung gusto nyo mo ng numbers, number 9 to number 3. Number 9, Posadas to Kenny. Kenny. 3 points by Kenny. Number 9, Martin. Passing to number 1. Number 1. Number 7, number 7. Pass it to number 9, Martin. Pass it to 38. For 2, no good. Rebound by 13. Kenny. To number 9, Posadas. Posadas to number 3. For 2. Pass out. By 4. Number 1 in bond to number 7. Number 7 dribbling ball. Pass it to number 98. Number 98. 10 seconds.
Dito kasi nga school aside lang talaga.
5 seconds for 2. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Foul committed by number 7. Tip fouls.
Hindi na nga.
Kick ball. This foul is brought to you by First Kabayan, Lipat Ba, and Safe Insurance. I like the Alford. Kapit na kapit. Para sa kapit talaga. Number 3. David. Time remaining is 6:57. His score is 5-21 in favor of McElroy. Second shot is good. Inbound by number 7 to number 9, Martin. Drive and foul committed by 1-3.
Dito bantayan.
Substitution break. First shot by Martin.
Pinapan mo na? Hindi na ako sali. Bakit? Kasi kaya.
No good.
Ano? Inalagay na sa ano na
Second shot by Martin. Kuyang kagabi. Rebound by number 3, passing to number 13, intercept by
Pilapin na lang. Pilapan mo.
same ball.
Yan tumatak.
Number 3 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 3. Foul committed by 13 Green. Inbound. Team fouls.
Yes po. Yes po.
Number 3 in the free throw line. Good. Second shot by number 3. Brings. No good. Short. Rebound by Hill. Passes to number 3. To number 6 to number 13. Kenny for 3 points. 13. Forge. Number 13. Pass it to number 13 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 9. To number 13. Number 13. Drive it. Foul committed by 9 fouls. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 1 second. 25-5 in favor of T-side. First shot, good. Second shot by Kenny. No good. Rebound by number 3. 13 to number 9. 13 to number 3. Passing to number 9. Intercept by number 9. Bring the ball. Passing to number 13. 13 drive.
George! Yes!
2 points by number 13, George.
Galing mo, Glenn! Love you, Glenn!
Dribbling the ball. Send the line. To number 3. To number 13. Pass it to
Kaya mo, Mers?
10 second shot clock. Substitution right.
Wait lang, babe. Ito na, ito.
Number 3. Pass it to nobody. Miscommunication. Number 98 to number 9. Martin dribbling the ball. Passing to number 7. Number 7 drive and reverse. No good. Short a little bit. Number 3 dribbling the ball. 0-0. Intercept by number 32. Number 32 to number 9. Martin. 2-in-1. Drive and shoot. No good. Rebound by number 88. Hill to number 3.
Nakapag-shoot. Kaya nga.
Pass it to nobody.
Kaya pinag-dumadala ng dalawang bilog hapon.
Time out!
Ayan ang oras.
T-side.
Kaya naging aware na rin.
Score
Kasi wala
26-7 in favor of T-side. Time remaining is 4 minutes and 23 seconds. And it's brought to you by Asiana Limited Oriental Foods located in City Center. First Kabayan Lipat Bahay, Mega World, Safety Insurance, LFS, Salad Master, Virgin Island, LFS. At tayo po may mga parapol po tayo. Just buy 1 pound for a street, you can win Itbulaga ticket worth of 75 pounds. Rak-rakan sa Leicester, 2 tickets. Mga goods gaya ng groceries, bigas, chocolate, alak. Pero lang babae. Time! It's time to rumble! Young man. Number 7, inbound. Pass it to number 9. Number 9 to number 32 for 2. Pass up. Number 6 inbound to Tapis number 21, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 9. Number 9, passing to number 7. Number 7. Intercept by Tapis. Tapis for 2. Pass up. Number 23 inbound to number 9. Number 9. Passing to number 32. Intercept by number 3. Passing 16 for 2. Good. Number 9. We score 39. Green ball. Number 7 inbound. Passing to number 9. Score 39 in favor of T-side. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Foul committed by